In this chapter, we will discuss family categories, what they are, what they do, and the common types typically used in electromechanical systems. Start by opening the electrical cabinet family we created in the previous chapters. Go to the Modify tab and click on Family Category and Parameters. A window will appear, showing a list of available categories along with their associated parameters, which we briefly introduced in earlier lessons. For this electrical cabinet family, choose the category Electrical Equipment. In the Family Parameters section, pay attention to a few important settings. Under Part Type, select Panel Board, which is appropriate for this case. If you were creating an adapter or a transformer, you would instead choose Transformer as the part type. Another option to consider is the round connector dimension. You can specify it using either radius or diameter, depending on your design needs. If you're working with a mechanical equipment family instead, the window will include a classification setting. For example, when creating a pump, you can classify it accordingly in this section to define its role in the mechanical system. Once you've chosen the appropriate category and adjusted the parameters, click OK and then open the Family Types dialog. You'll notice that selecting a category adds a new section to the Family Types window that corresponds to the chosen category. For instance, selecting electrical equipment adds a section called Electrical Circuiting, which includes parameters like circuit number prefix separators and other electrical specific settings. Similarly, selecting pipe fittings will reveal a section called Mechanical, containing parameters such as loss method and K coefficient. It's also worth noting that some parameters can be adjusted directly from the Properties palette, and this will have the same effect as modifying them through the Family Category window. Finally, whether you're working on a live project or a sample one, I encourage you to explore how family categories impact visibility and graphic controls in a project. Press VG to open the Visibility Graphics Overrides dialog. In the Filters tab, you can control the visibility, line styles, and patterns of families throughout the project. Clicking Edit New will show you that these filters are organized based on family categories, which reinforces just how important category selection is for both modeling and documentation. Understanding and correctly assigning family categories is a fundamental step in Revit Family creation. It not only determines how the family behaves within a project, but also affects how it's organized, scheduled, filtered, and displayed. Whether you're working with electrical or mechanical systems, choosing the right category and configuring its parameters ensures that your components integrate properly with system tools and documentation standards.